a subscriber of mine asked me on how to use your level gauge on the front windshield. All the cats have these on them. The Deere, they do not come with it. I'm not exactly sure why, but you can order them on Amazon for like 40 bucks, so pretty inexpensive if you ask me. But this is what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this level gauge in the front windshield here, and it's just got 3M tape on it. And if you look at it here, it's got degrees on the top, and then it has percent on the bottom. So with this little bubble here, you can see it's just on right on that side of the 5, and the bubble, or the little dot there, is on 4, so that's 4%. You want 4% of crown on your road. So you want to run with it with that little black dot on the 5, or just on that 4% mark there. I try to keep all mine 4 to 5% for crown on all my roads. That just seems to work the best for me. Obviously it's gonna dictate on what your county has for a requirement for a crown on your guys' roads, or a township, or whatever, but I keep mine 4 to 5%. So hopefully that'll help that viewer out. And it's December 22nd today, and I'm actually out blading gravel. I didn't even put my wing on, got through the last 10 inches of snow without it, and figured if the weather's gonna stay like it is, nice mid-30s, blade showing 41 degrees, so that's pretty dang nice for this time of year. But I'll keep this video going. I'll get some action shots of blading, and we'll go from there. time for the evening, getting dark on me. Would like to thank everybody for watching. This will probably be the last video that you guys will see for the year of 2021 anyway. If I do have another video, I guess you guys will see it. Would like to thank everybody for watching the videos. Really appreciate seeing the comments and the questions and all the subscribers to the channel. Would like to remind everybody to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With that, I'd like to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll catch you all on the next video. Thanks for watching.